Let's discuss exercise 13.1. First question. Two cubes. Two cubes, each of volume 64 centimeter cube, are joined end to end. Find the surface area of resulting cuboid. Here, two cubes join end to end. Draw two cubes. These are the two cubes. In cubes, all sides are equal. Suppose length equal to A, breadth equal to A, and height equal to A. The two cubes joined end to end, resulting we get cuboid. Join these two cubes. Resulting figure is cuboid. Okay, this is the cuboid. This is length A, breadth A, height of the first cuboid is A, and height of the first cube is A, and height of the second cube is A. See this height equal to A plus A, 2A. Here cuboid height is 2A, and length equal to A and breadth equal to A. Clear? Here we have to find the surface area. Therefore, surface area of cuboid. What is the formula for surface area of cuboid? 2 into length into breadth, breadth into height, height into length. 2 into here length equal to A, breadth equal to A units, and height equal to 2A. And given volume of the each cube is 64 centimeter cube. What is the volume of cube? Volume of cube equal to A cube. Side cube. Here side equal to A. A cube equal to 64. Then A equal to 64 is 4 cube. A cube equal to 4 cube. A equal to 4. Therefore, side of the cube equal to 4 units. So, here length equal to A equal to 4, breadth equal to A is nothing but 4, H equal to 2A, 2 into A is 4, 2 4s are 8. So, L equal to 4, breadth equal to 4, breadth 4, height is 8, H equal to 8. Units are in centimeters. 8 centimeters. Length is 4 centimeters. 2 into 4 into 4, 16. 4 8s are 32. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 32, 64 plus 16. It is equal to 80. 2 into 80 is 160. Units are centimeter square. Okay, therefore surface area of cuboid equal to 160 centimeter square. Next, second question. A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere. Hollow means empty. The vessel in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. It means vessel. This is the hemisphere. empty hemisphere mounted by, it means below is hemisphere, above is cylinder. Above is empty cylinder. Both are empty. This is one vessel. This is a cylinder. Above part is cylinder. Below is hemisphere. The diameter of the hemisphere. Here given diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeters and total height of the vessel. Total height. How much? 13 centimeter. It means height of the cylinder and the height of the hemisphere. Find the inner surface area of vessel. Here we have to find the surface, inner surface area. See, cylinder. Here top and bottom surfaces are empty. There is no top and bottom surfaces. See this figure. This is a cylinder. Here top and bottom surfaces are, there is no top and bottom surfaces. Clear? And hollow hemisphere. Here there is no flat surface. There is no flat surface. So here only consider the curved surface. Okay? This surface. So inner surface area. Inner surface area of vessel equal to curved surface area of cylinder. Why only curved surface area? There is no top and bottom surface areas. Okay, so that's why we are taking only curved surface area of cylinder and curved surface area of hemisphere. What is the curved surface area of cylinder? 2 pi RH. And curved surface area of cylinder only this area. It is 2 pi r square. Okay, curved surface area of hemisphere formula is 2 pi r square. 2 pi, here r, what is r? R is the radius of the cylinder. Radius. Diameter equal to 14. Radius equal to diameter by 2. 14 by 2 is 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. And h value. H is total length. Here h is only cylinder length. See, here radius is 7. 7. This is also 7. So this height is 7. Here to here 7. Total is 17. Only cylinder is 13 minus 7. Which is equal to height of the cylinder is 6 centimeters. 2 into pi r square. Radius of the hemisphere is 7. 7 square. 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into 7 into 6. 2 into pi value 22 by 7. 7 into 7. Here 7, 7 get cancelled. 7, 7 get cancelled. 2 6 are 12. 12 into 22. 264. 2 sevens are 14. 14 22s are 308. 264 plus 308 equal to 572. This is the surface area. So units are centimeter square. Therefore, inner surface area of vessel equal to 572 centimeter square.